Hey guys, I'm down here at the river, and there's a bunch of carp up here. They're splashing up and splashing the water, and try to sneak up here, see if I can see them. They look pretty big. They're a bunch of carp, I think. It's late spring, May 20th. See, there's some out there splashing. Those were ducks. Alright, I'm gonna go back fish and hopefully I catch some. Came back to you if I do. Oh yeah. Perch. Casting out there hoping to catch a carp. I catch this little dinky perch. Good thing I didn't swallow it because I really didn't feel like getting out. First fish of the day, gonna cast back out there, hope to catch a carp or something. There's a little fall fish. I don't know what the heck it's doing. Seems like it's dying. Alright, it's swimming. Pretty stupid fish. Ran into a rock. And like flipped over. Like it was dead. Or you can look at it with my glasses. You can see it right there. Right there. I'm gonna hit it with a rock because they're ugly. There, it's swimming away. I don't want to look at it anymore. There's a carp right here, splashing around. Wish I'd come a little more to the right, because that's where my line is. There's another one down there by the bridge. Kind of. I got another line down there. There's one. It looked like a smallmouth or something rose out there, and this one splashed. I'm gonna try to recast near it because it seems like it's in here a little bit. See how that goes. Hooked into a monster carp. This reel is horrible. Oh, I think it got off. But no. Oh, all the lines off my reel. Alright. I'm putting the camera away. I'm just gonna sit down. It snapped. Oh guys, that was horrible. This reel is horrible. I had it on. All of that line completely came off. I have no clue what just happened. This reel sucks. I just lost a big carp. Whatever. I got another line. I guess that's what I'm gonna have to count on. There's so many carp out there. All I saw, I was like, oh dang. And then, that's horrible. I got another line, hopefully I can get one on that. So, two back to you guys. Well, I hooked into a carp. Another carp because I lost that one as soon as this one hit the water. This one took it. Yeah, he's big. Probably my biggest. Definitely the longest fight. I'm taking him. Probably fighting him for about 3 minutes now. Yep. I just lost one out there. This one's probably maybe bigger. I don't even have a net. I don't know how to get this guy in here. Might just have to get him on the short. Okay, I'm just gonna go grab him. First carp of the year. Just gonna try to get his gill. They're so slippy. Just keep sliding back in the water. Ugly fish. There we go. Big fish. Put this camera. Have to cut the line. I'm never gonna get that hook out. There he is. Big fish. Get a measurement on him. Night crawler. I don't have my scale. I can't weigh him. I'm gonna get a measurement. I'll take a picture of that tube bag. There he is. Caught him on a night crawler. You see how big he is? Right there. I've been just fishing for a little bit. I think it's my 4th fish. Caught rock bass, 2 rock bass and a perch. I got the perch on video. Well, he's big and got thrown back. Throw him back. Look at this fish I got on. Way out there. You're probably gonna throw up when I reel it in. You should see how ugly they are. What is it? A carp. I already caught one. Did you? It was like 25 inches. Is that rod gonna pull it in? Yeah. I hooked one on that. I hooked one on that. I know. Yeah. There's probably like 100 out there. Mom, I hooked one on that other rod.